and simple interest. So the difference is nothing but compound interest is the thing that happens regularly or in an interval period. Suppose the same example we are doing. If it was of simple interest, then what we have done? Then SI equals to 4000 multiplied by 2 years multiplied by 5 by 100. So what would be the answer here? This 0, this will get cut off. Then 40 multiplied by 280 multiplied by 5, which is 400. So 400 will be our SI, means simple interest. So what is 400? It is simple interest, means 5% per annum will be same for each year. For 2 years 5% per annum will be for 4000 rupees only. But in case of compound interest, we have to do with 1 year. At first 1 year, so we will write here 1 year. Instead of 2, we have written here 1 year. So for that we have written 1 year. So answer would be 200, not 400. So 200. So 200 is the simple interest. So if we add 200 with 4000, so what is the answer? 2400. And what is 2400? It is the amount we are getting after 1 year if we are keeping it for 5% per annum for 1 year. 4200 rupees we are getting after 1 year. Okay. So we are getting this. So we are getting this after 1 year. So what we are getting after 2 years? So listen this very carefully. It is the main thing of compound interest. If we are going to do for larger number of time, we have done for 1 year. Okay, 1 year. So we are going to do it in a larger amount of time. So for that what we have to do? We have to just, in the basis, we have to take this 4200 as our principal and do our odd, not 4000 as our principal. Okay. We have to do on the basis of 4200. Again we have to do on the basis of 4200. So then again what we have done? We have to just do like this. That 4200 multiplied by again 1 year multiplied by 5 by 100. So the answer is 42 multiplied by 5, which is 210. Okay, 210 will be again the simple interest. So again we are going to add 4200 addition 210. So the answer will be coming 4410. But 4410 for 2 years. So what we have get here? For 2 years we got just 400 rupees, and but here what is it? Means 400 rupees we are getting 400 rupees we are getting the simple interest, and the interest will be, means the total amount will be 4400. Then 4400. But in case of this, what we are getting? In case of this, we are getting 4410. So this is the difference of that. In the basis of 4000 rupees we are doing for 2 years in simple interest, but in compound interest what we are doing? We have to do for 1 year, then again for another year. For 2 years we have done. So for 1 year we have to do at first. Then by taking the amount of the first year, we will again do our simple interest and do. But in case of compound interest, simple interest, what we have done? We will just do in one way, just multiplied by 2 and that we will do for this compound interest, our formula is A for amount. So I am writing in full amount. Amount will be equals to our principal multiplied by principal multiplied by 1 plus R. What is R? R means rate of interest. Rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest by 100. Then in the power of the whole we will be giving n. N means number of years. Years of it is the term or time. Okay. So now let's write the short formula. A equals to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 by 100 to power n. Okay. This is our formula of compound interest. So this is the formula. Let's do one sum in the formula by doing it in formula and by doing it in simple interest. Okay. Suppose I am taking P or principal as rupees 5,000 and rate of interest be 10% per annum, and N means suppose for I am giving a term for 3 years. Okay, so what would be our compound interest after 3 years? Okay, what would be our amount? Compound interest and amount after 3 years. Okay, so let's do the sum. So let's put our formula and do the sum. So here we have to find the amount. So what is the principal? Principal is 5,000 rupees multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest is 10% by 100 and the n must be 3 years. Okay, we can take any years, but I am going to tell you why we won't the question won't come for a larger number of years, because we know that if there is a large number of years then calculation problem will arise and our time would be taken a lot. So 5,000 multiplied by 1 plus 10 by 100, so it would be 1 by 10, so 11 by 10 to the power 3 or cube. Okay, so now let's multiply this 5,000 multiplied by 11 by 10 multiplied by 11 by 10 multiplied by 11 by 10. So here are 3 zeros. We are going to cut the 3 zeros and 3 zeros of this. So we are going to multiply 11 multiplied by 11 121 we should know, and multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11 which is 55. So now we are going to put the value of 121 multiplied by 5. So hence what is our multiplication value? Multiplication value is 6255. Sorry, 6655. The answer is 6655. I have written wrongly. 6655. So 6655 is the amount. Okay. So amount is 6655. So what is the compound interest? So 6655 minus 5,000. So the answer is 1655. So this is the compound interest. So this answer will come. This is the process of compound interest. Compound interest is very simple topic. If you understand, you can do any type of sums. So this is for compound interest. We can do it also by simple interest. So let's do it by simple interest. So let's do it by simple interest. equals to 500, amount will be 5500. So now we are going to do SI equals to 5500 multiplied by again 10 by 100. Okay, so for doing it for another 1 year, so 100 will get cut off, so 550. So we are going to add 550 means amount will be then our amount will be what? Amount will be our 6050. Okay, so then again we are going to do for 3 years. So 1, 2 and this is the last, multiplied by 10 by 100, multiplied by 1, then 2 zeros, 1 zero of this, 1 zero of this. So 605 is the SI. So 605 plus 6050, answer is coming 6650. So this, remember that this was the answer by compound interest. So our compound interest and simple interest is nothing but compound interest is the means it is the most useful thing in our day-to-day life, as we take loans and other things, like we take loans as well as suppose we are keeping our money in bank and what we are getting, what is our just gain, profit, and these are all the things of our day-to-day life. So thank you, bye bye, stay safe and always